In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a battery on a Nissan Sentra. It is located on the driver's side of the engine bay. Let's get started. I'm going to use a 10mm to loosen the negative battery terminal. I'm going to wiggle it and set it aside. Now I'm also going to be using a 10mm to remove the positive battery terminal. Make sure it's fully on. And set it aside. And we're going to move along to our battery tie down. As you can see, there's two 10mm nuts here connected to J-hooks. We can loosen these a bit, slide the J-hooks out, and then remove the tie down. Quick inspection and set it aside. Now we're going to lift the battery up. Quick note, during reinstallation, down in the battery tray, you will see these two holes for the J-hooks. Remember, you will have to reinstall the J-hooks in these specific holes. One right here and one right here. I will be using a wire brush to clean the positive terminal. I'm going to go along the inside. As you can see, I got rid of as much corrosion I could, ensuring a proper connection. Let's do the same for the negative battery terminal. Again, going along the inside. Now we're going to clean and inspect our battery tray. As you can see, there's a large amount of dirt and debris. I'm just going to lift this up. And clean this out. Now I'm going to reinstall. Make sure it's flat and level. Now I'm going to reinstall our battery. Remember, on the battery, you do have a positive and negative post. You're going to be aware of that orientation when you reinstall the battery. Make sure it's sitting flush and you have the proper orientation for the negative and positive. Now we're going to move along to our hold down. Remember the orientation from when we removed it. Short in the front, tall in the rear. Remember to secure the J-hooks in the holes I mentioned. Make sure those J-hooks are properly in place. I'm going to start off my first nut and move along to my second one. I do want to ensure these are snug. Make sure the battery is firm. Now I'm going to clean my battery posts, ensuring I do have a good connection. We'll be using a wire brush. I'm going to install my positive battery terminal first. Ensure it's fully seated. Snug it down with a 10mm. Make sure it's secure. Now reinstall your positive battery terminal protector. Now I'm going to reinstall my terminal on the post. I'm going to slide over the terminal and tighten it down with a 10mm. You want to make sure it goes all the way down. And I'm just going to snug it up. You're going to wiggle it to make sure it's secure. Now that the battery is installed, you're going to want to go ahead and start your vehicle multiple times, ensuring it starts properly every time, then take it on a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.